కనయ్య ఆగాగు. కొండలంట పోవద్దు, ఎండలంట తిరగద్దయ్యా, ఎండవేడి నీ ఒళ్ళు తట్టుకోలేదురయ్యా, ఇంటనే ఉండవయ్యా, నా మాట వినవయ్యా, మాట వినకుంటే రోటికిన్ను కట్టేస్తా, నీ చెవి మెలి పెట్టేస్తా. అమ్మా అమ్మ, కొండంటి నీ ప్రేమ నా వెంట ఉంది గాదే, కొండనే గొడుగు చేసి ఎండావాన నాపుతాలే. అది కాదురా, కాలింది మడుగులోన విషపు నాగులుంటాయట, నీపైన బుస కొడితే ఏమవుతాదో తంట, నా వెంట ఉండవయ్యా, నా మాట వినవయ్యా, మాట వినకుంటే నీతోనే కచ్చి నీ మాటే నే వినను. అయ్యో పిచ్చమ్మ, అన్న నీడ నుండే నన్ను పామేమి చేయునమ్మా, అంతగా బుస కొడితే తారంగమాడతా, తై తక్కలాడతా. ఓహో అలాగా, ఆకతాయి మూకలతో ఇల్లిల్లు తిరగద్దు, పళ్ళ పాలు కోరద్దు, అల్లరి పాలవ్వద్దు, గోరు ముద్దలెడతాను, వెన్న ముద్దలెడతాను, గోపెమ్మల పిలిచి ఈడనే ఆడిస్తా, నీ గడుపు సల్లగుండా ఇంటి పట్టు నుండవయ్యా. నాకు తెలుసులే, గోధూలి వేళ్లకు గుడు చేరుకుంటాలే, ముదులొదులుకుంటానా, ఏడనన్నా ఉరికినానా, నన్ను కసపోనీయవమ్మా, నీకు వేల దండాలమ్మా. అబ్బా ఎంత చెప్పినా వినవు. రాదారి వీధుల్లో మాయబూచులుంటాయ్యా, నీ దారికెదురు పడితే మాయదారి పేచీలయ్యా, నీ వెంట నేనొస్తా, నన్నొదిలి వెళ్ళకయ్యా. ఓయమ్మ, మాయమ్మ కన్నయ్యను మాయలకు లొంగుతానా, బుచితో దోబూచులాడి మాయ చేసి వస్తానమ్మా, ఆడుకొని వస్తానమ్మా, ఇప్పుడే వస్తానమ్మా, ఇడకే వస్తానమ్మా, నీ కాడున్నట్టే వస్తానమ్మా.
Recently, one of my friends shared a Tamil song on Yashoda Krishna. It is very well composed and rendered with simple and pleasant words. But I felt it is very generic and not bringing out Krishna Tattva fully. So I took liberty and rewrote the lyrics in Telugu. If seen casually, it appears as if a concerned mother asking child not to go out, and kid giving some false boasting about his power to convince mom and somehow go out to play. In essence, that is how the original Tamil version was. My version added some additional flavors here. In stanza 1, Konda Ettesta, a boast by a kid. Stanza 2, Pamuto Taitakaladata, again a boast by a kid. Stanza 3, for Vannamudda I'll run back home by evening, a kid temptation. Stanza 4, we'll play hide and seek with Buchi, a boast by a kid. If read a second time, one can understand Krishna's answers indirectly projecting Krishna Leela and that he is Lord Vishnu Avatara. In stanza 1, Konda as Godugu, reminding Govardhana Parvatam story. In stanza 2, Pamuto Taitakka, reminding Kalindi Kaliya Padaganucham. Here subtly saying, Anna Nida Unna Naku, Pamu Bhayamu Emiti, which is casually appearing as giving credit to elders with their strength, but indirectly reference to Balarama as Adiseshu Avataram, and so hinting his Vishnu Avataram. In stanza 3, Krishna's fondness of Dopika Muddulu. Stanza 4, I am Mayamma's Kannaya, which means I am the creator, Kanna Ayya, of Maya, and I play with universe with my Maya. So indirectly, all that is referring that I am Vishnu, why do you worry? On third read, it comes out that Yashoda is also not an innocent mother but knew full potential of Krishna and thus not worried about kid but the fate of opponent and so asking to stay home. And for that, Krishna's response is that those are already dear to him, so we'll just play with them and not harm them. To see clearly, in stanza 1, Yashoda says, Enda vedi nee ollu tattukoledu is concern on Enda about black body radiation. And for that, Krishna says, we'll protect it with Konda as shield. In stanza 2, Pamu busakodite emotado tanta is the concern on fate of Pamu. Tanta is for Pamu. This should also remind the song Ramayya Tandri in Sampurna Ramayanam where Guha says, Na nava meeda kaalu pedite emotado tanta. Again, Krishna's play is, Krishna's reply is, Adiseshu is my friend and why will I harm them? We'll just play and dance with the snakes. In stanza 3, Parula palu koraddu is not don't ask for milk in others' homes. She requests not to belong palu kavaddu to others. For that he says, we'll just take their muddulu, affection and devotion and come back by evening. Edanunna uriki rana. If Gopimmas are there, I will take it there. If here at our home, we'll run here and get them. In stanza 4, Bhuchito Mayadari Pechilu is again Yashoda's concern on Bhuchi's fate. Krishna says, if it is favorable Maya, I will play and come. If Rakshasa Maya, will cheat them. That is in the third read. On one more read, one will observe that I tried to show Yashoda using Sama, Dana, Beda, Dandopaya in reverse order to stop Krishna first with warning, next cut off, then bribing, and finally surrendering. And Krishna also yielding to bargain step by step. In stanza 1, we can see warning, Rolukatesa, that is Dandopayam. In stanza 2, cut off with you, Nito Kachi, that is Bedopayam. In stanza 3, offerings like maska, buttering with venna, etc., that is Danopayam. Stanza 4, surrendering and finally admitting it is not that I don't want you to go out, but I want to be with you. Nito nevu ostanu baitiki, that is Sama. So for each one of those, Krishna's step by step yielding in stanza 1 and 2, no special request from that side. So he just argues, I want to go. In stanza 3, Neeku Vela Dandalamma is a request. We'll run back home by evening. That is again bargain. In stanza 4, Ventane Vachesta. So initially he said, I'll come by evening to Ventane Vachesta, from a day out to just some minutes out. And Neekad Unnate Vachesta. That means, which is also, I'll be here and I'll be there at the same time. So that is what I tried to portray in this.